Kani gadega Pati CCTV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Dang nin kasngi kan reu terik unopra, hak jikren berkikat tu kani kinong patai kubor kejela. Nak kaliang menteri rangba kejela Dr. Mukul Sangma, ulah thalain ting da kejingkren jung yaki MLA kaseng Kongres ki bala Hiar Sukino nak kerdan menteri sarkar. Kentop yuba coming one ambon ubadang Su Hiar Sukino dang haki arsngi balala. Bat khamtam ya waipat nak MLA ubala khamrem jong kaseng Kongres uba preston tensong. Hanya kasngipat nak kaliang ke Pati CCTV. Kalau persyang ro banyo ay kendo yo ba plus ton tensong, bad hakane kejing kendo nak kaliang uniu MLA kaseng Kongres. Na penursla constituency, ula pun pai kelai kejing keren jong Dr. Mukul Sangma, bat halan kelai u. Halor kelet kawan jong uru khamtam syabari.
Ngayu i ke news menne ba long ba usia mong ba ki minister ki ba pun ki ba long irresponsible labmit bele sekal kata labmit bele out of station kau mau description judon nei ka bang aku ha banong ta kawai le se go pliu cm ka bun kamula ban klet ba most of the time they mangau but you don't berbor office don bekiwan don kam UCM kimi kundu even from Karu Hills lena Jati Hills lena Kasi Hills lena Riboy they met me kat bekiwan kum tu kiwan ngai kundu the number 2 nama UCM bun dot ngakan mau bahana 2000 naru right from 2011 12 ulai uju kamdon ngimti biru ki minister sia ulai turna tip ulai cabari indiana ulai sunu kata wiruno tambah umju inform uja sitayo no uja artayo teng one office komo pi hagitu ki pon nete imat sitayo Hagisibnai. Nanta again 13, 14, 15, 16 lu. Kumtahe. Hi, de ngamtip kai ke jemut jo bun pendud kam ban long ban keren personal yang kumta. Ngam sutu. Nomor bakat kiba kipai ba kibawan kundu. I was always in the secretariat and I keep meeting people. Mendai tanda konsensi la jong ko mo pi na keleng kiba bun kiba wan kiba don kam UCM lu kiba ni kendu no ya don ki perlok MLA kiba mi kendu UCM lu instead abo kiba kendu kiba ni kendu ya let's see ka don ka kam ka bangala in my level lane don ki kam let's say kiba ong no kiba ngan communicate UCM kum kita ge dengar mas ko benong tong ini wat arti ai UCM ulai yu sabar India kha man ka por umjudon na po ng office station kumusi freestar haging isgaw jonga he has to take the whole responsibility of being in the office mangina ki minister to lagi jogi department we handle nemo ubat de ki totally ki department ki ba fair and when people comes wanted to meet him always not in the office dengan okum no kata they katakan dia mengamut ban charge personal the fact remains but he was not there in the office most of the time jadi okum no kaya kata abi ngam skopla that's what I'm saying namar bahaka pun election life hujai ki penbi mo ban le yu ban penbi yu pai ba ban ong ba uprostu no bomlong le ne mukul bomlong rei ngam okum ta to iya ke ji sisya Labisem bangangam ju don po office. Labisem bangangam ju trekam ba. Ye ka ai ka assignment gabla IT hana. Kata pila de ban ong yang la ni pila de ban tho de ki singa why pim la ban perform ha la ne pim ju kam don office what's happening to you but ye kata nganut ban appreciate lada UCM Ukraine kum kata ba lada ngambiang lada ngap kam ngam perform kat kum ka badai hok ka kamram je ngabangan perform te ula de ban yang ngai kata nomor bangong pi for election people mi kita ke just because banganga ong ba ngan mi election ko kongres okay te menta people mi kita ke I think that is not fair it's not fair nomor ba ubreu shaban kedukti yakiwei kan mau kekti babun kisimpri akti ki kedawil de so that is important udah masuk tu saya kata Bat ka ka daw ba nga ong balay ba nga hapan mi. Bat ki koli ki babunang ni ki ba balay ngi ong i hapan mi. Nga ong ya ka kongres ngam kren ben ya ka parti kongres. Ka kongres ka parti ka babiang ba. Telenga nga kren ni leadership issue. That is important.
Halor gitu ki jingkran jong menteri rang ba ka Jelau Dr. Mukul Sangma nin kasngi. Persya ye ki MLA ka sang kongres ki bala her shukino na ka kerdan menteri sarkar. Bat dan ru ka jing temu ban kan tiap seng. Wat nakalyang u national president jong ka National People's Party u Konrad K Sangma. Hakaju ka por u balong ru MP sa Lok Sabha Natura parliamentary seat. Ula kan tho halor kani ki jingkran jong Dr. Mukul Sangma.
But I would think that at the level of the chief minister, one would not do that. A certain respect has to be there, and all said and done in politics, things do happen. But for a chief minister to say things against his own colleagues, his own past colleagues, I think is a very unfortunate kind of a situation. I think it shouldn't have happened. But that's his personal opinion, so I have nothing to say about that. But as I said, and I've been very clear from my side. In fact, when there was a miscommunication and there was a complete misquoting about certain statements supposedly which I made, which is not true at all. I have clarified that I didn't make the statement. And number two, I've said that in politics, it should not be personal attacks. We should talk about the positive aspects of politics. We should talk about what you as a leader, as a party will do to change the lives of the people of the state. And I think that's what's important in politics. And that's what people also would expect, leaders to talk about positive things and about development of the state and how we'll take it forward.